Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and now I want to tell you the 5 reasons to use Google Messages app. Google Messages offers several benefits. Here's a summary of those. The first one, rich communication services, RCS for short. Google Messages is built around RCS, a modern messaging protocol that enriches the functionality of traditional SMS, simple message sending. That includes features like read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality media sharing. Second on the list of 5 is versatility. Google Messages allows users to pin conversations, manage group messaging, change settings like outgoing sound and auto-downloaded MMS, and more. The number 3 reason is the web client. Okay, one of the features that I like personally about Google Messages is you can use it from a browser. Okay, that means you can set up messaging on your computer. You don't have to use a phone. Fourth reason, end-to-end encryption. For one-on-one conversations, Google Messages offers end-to-end encryption when both parties have RCS chats turned on. So this means that nobody can read the content sent between you and the recipient because you're both using RCS, the Rich Communication Services. Reason number 5 should be number 1. It's free. You can use Google Messages for absolutely no cost and make it a cost-effective communication tool as a result. Go to the show notes, theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, and that Google document is going to have all of these outlined as well as a link to share this with your friends.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through theguyrcookreport.com or https://guyrcook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking.
Hi, the reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.